This is a metal rod stake. I pick them up at Lowe's. And it's dipped in a plastic, and I think it's so it don't rust maybe. And I just drive it about halfway in the ground, give it a good firm base, and then I'll pull it over to the stake like so. And of course it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this. Now this is, I get this roll of stuff. Where'd I get this roll at? I can't remember exactly, to be honest with you, but it's a rubber with a little tiny piece of wire inside of it right there, so that when it bends, you know, it kind of stays like that, and you can twist it and it'll stay together like so. And that's basically all I do. Just take a little short strip, pull it over to it, give it a little twist. I'm done with it. Let's let it go. And one thing I don't like doing is getting it so tight against the stake that it can't move. You can see I still got it plenty of room so it can move back and forth a little bit. Only thing I'm trying to prevent here is from it falling over on the ground. That's basically it. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today and garden's coming along good. Just wanted to give you a quick update on it and not really show you a trick, but show you something I do that kind of helps so you get more vegetables at the end of the year. So come on, I'll show you. So come on, we'll go down the rows and show you what I'm working with. My corn is coming in really nice. Tomatoes coming in good. Look at all those tomatoes in there. My goodness. Already got a few down here that are turning red, which I'll probably need to be picking. Ooh, there's a real good one down there. There's a good one over there too. I might have a tomato sandwich before long. Now let me find, I can't remember which one it is. Let me find it. I want to show you something. I want to show you just how good the higher bricks is. Where is it at? Which one is it? I think it might be this one. Maybe it isn't this one. Well, where? There it is right there. All right, look at here. If I can get in here real close. Look right here where the windstorm was blowing. It split that. I mean, split it almost in half. Look, that's my finger up in the vine itself. I'm not going to do anything to that. That's all that's left, is that one little strand right there supporting the rest of the plant. And of course, I'm gonna come in here and tie me a strap right here, or a piece of that little stuff, and kind of pick some weight up off of it. I'm not gonna do anything to this. I'm gonna leave it and see how good this tomato plant does the rest of the year. And let's go up this row right here. There's some hot banana peppers coming in good. This one here, I've got a bet with my son. I can't make it come back to life. Here's some more standard banana peppers. They're coming in pretty good. Jalapenos. Coming in nice. Jalapeno. Got lots of jalapenos. Got lots of buddies that love jalapenos. Let's see, here we go. There's a bell pepper right there starting to come in. Pretty good one right there. Big old fat zucchini. Squash. Doing good. And it won't be long on the cucumber. So I think it's pretty common knowledge, and then again, it may not be common knowledge. I don't know. I picked this up from my Nana years ago. She said, Pete, when you're planting your garden, or when you're feeding your garden, take you about a tablespoon of Epsom salt and put it in a gallon of water. Of course, I got 2 gallons of water here, so I'm gonna put about two tablespoons in here, and then use that and use it kind of like a fertilizer of food, and hit your plants with it. I know folks that do it on a daily basis. I know folks that do it on a weekly basis, every other week. And you know, Epsom salt is dirt cheap. And I got this bag at Lowe's. I can't even remember what I paid for. It's a pretty good sized bag, 7 pounds. And you can pick it up at Walmart or grocery store or wherever. And you basically, it's as simple as watering it in with it. It's really that easy. You can pour it all over the leaves, it doesn't matter. Magnesium and sulfur, if your plants have a little bit of yellowing in the leaves and stuff, and it's not from overwatering, you can try that trick. A tablespoon, a gallon of Epsom salt, and water your plants in with it and see how it works. If you really want to get fancy with it, you take your water and Epsom salt, check your pH, make sure it's at a 5 or below, put your little natural adjuvant in it, do the same thing. Alright, so there you go. Thank you for watching. And me and my wife gonna finish staking these peppers up. Check you later. Ooh, boy, it's low. Look how much fall that is. There's no way this will be flat.
No.
Absolutely not. I mean, if we filled it into here, you see half the building would be under dirt. So it'll still have a gradual fall.
It'll just it'll be leveled like this.
Yeah, it'll be smooth.
Yeah.
But it will still have a gradual fall.
Yeah.
Now we'll build up some of this for sure.
Yeah.
I'll probably build all this up a good foot, and it'll probably drop. The further back here it gets, the more it'll fall off. That way up there, it'll be somewhat more flat, but it's still gonna fall this way. That's one bad thing is when you get a piece of land, you can't make it so flat based off the land. You know what I'm saying? I'm about That's probably a good 75 foot away. I got 4 foot of drop in 75 feet. And in 100 feet, perfection would be 3 to 5 inches drop in 100 feet. So there's no way in the world that'll happen. I would have to bring the dirt up to right here.
It's impossible.
And then I'd have to build a retaining wall back there. Just ain't gonna happen. So even in our yard, it won't be, you know, there's a difference between a smooth place to mow and a flat place to mow. They're different. I can have it on the incline, but it be smooth and not bumpy, or it can be flat like that. And with the way our lot lays, I bet if we took that transit up to the very corner, I bet it's 10 or 12 foot of drop from there to back here, you know? So there's no way it'll ever be flat, but it will be
smooth.
butter smooth.
Yeah.